Hey guys, Patrick here, your nutrition coach here at Perform and Transform. And this week we're talking all about antioxidants, right? This is a term that gets thrown around a lot. And I was at the store the other day and I bought a Vega protein shake. And in the description, it said it had X amount of calories, vitamins and minerals, fiber, probiotics, antioxidants, right? So what exactly are antioxidants? Very, very simple. Antioxidants are things that you can either be consumed or developed naturally in our body to fight off something called free radicals, okay? Now, free radicals are very deadly to your body. They're molecules that cause a lot of damage to your cells, and if it's left untreated, it can cause oxidative stress, which can lead to a lot of negative impact in your body. For example, free radicals can cause the loss of vision, it can cause inflammation in your joints like arthritis, it can cause nerve damage, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, accelerate the aging process, increase the risk of coronary heart disease, and also accelerate certain cancers as well. So very, very dangerous and deadly to our body, right? And so how are free radicals developed? It's developed through exposure to pollution, UV light, cigarette, radiation, consumption of processed foods, trans fats, and artificial sweeteners, right? So it's very important to have the right type of antioxidants and have enough antioxidants to prevent, slow, and get rid of some of these free radicals that get developed in our body, okay? So here attached is a list of all the antioxidants, and you can see what type of foods give you what type of antioxidants, and I'll attach that list below as well. But here are 3 tips where you can get extra antioxidants in. Tip number 1 is to have very, very colorful vegetables or fruits, right? And the darker the color, the more antioxidants it contains. For example, like kale or beets or berries are an excellent source of antioxidants. Another way you can get antioxidants in is by getting it through spices. So a lot of spices contain lots of antioxidants, for example, like clove, oregano, ginger, cinnamon, turmeric, yellow mustard seed, paprika, basil, curry, parsley, black pepper, chili powder. So the more colorful your spices are, the more antioxidants are in them. What I like to do on a Sunday is I have some sunny side up eggs, I sprinkle in some black pepper, sprinkle in some paprika, and boom, there you go. So adding a lot of spices in your nutrition is gonna boost your antioxidants. And then tip number 3 is to have like teas with your meals as well. So green tea is excellent. Have a tea with every meal, and that's gonna help you get some extra antioxidants in, all right? So our nutrition challenge of the week is option number 1, have a variety of colors with every single meal. Option number 2, add at least 3 spices per meal. And option number 3 is to drink a tea with every meal, all right? So let me know in the comments below what nutrition challenge you're gonna be doing this week. And as usual, let's go crush it this week. This is the last week of September, so let's finish off the month strong. And I will see you next week. And thanks again for allowing us to transform your life through fitness.